Finally, let's see how we are going to check our web page, because we wrote a web page that is supposed to be read and interpreted by a machine. We did not write a report for a human. So let us make a machine check our web page. For this, we have to go to a website. It is validator. So validator, the guy who validates, at w3.org. We are going to validate our file by file upload. We have to browse to that folder where we have our index.html. And we select it. I'm going to press check. Now, as you're going to see, I left out a couple of technical details which we have to make sure are there in order for the machine to tell us that the page is fine. But let's take a look at the error messages. So this is just a warning. It tells us we should add a language attribute to the HTML start tag. So in here, inside the HTML tag, we are supposed to add the language in which we wrote the web page. This part of the standards is useful because some websites might have the same page in various languages. So when you go into that website, according to the language which is defined inside your browser, the website is going to serve you the web page in your language. To do that, we declare this document to be written in English. So we write lang equal en. So this is an attribute to the HTML language. Now, I'm going to save this, and I'm going to reload the file. And as you can see, the first warning disappeared. Now we still have an error, this red error, which says that the character encoding was not declared. If this web page came out of a website, the server takes care of this little detail. Since we are checking our own web page, we're supposed to declare the character encoding ourselves. How do we do that? This is one of the little technical details that is supposed to go inside the head. It is a meta character, so we're supposed to write this. Meta set, so character set equals, and then in between double quotes, UTF-8. Close double quotes, close bracket. So this is supposed to go inside the head. You see the head goes from here to there. But you have to make sure don't put it inside the title because that would be a mess. So let's save it and recheck our newer version of the file. Well, if you get this text here, the green text that says document checking completed, no errors of wanting to show, that means you did a good job and the computers are understanding your web page without any problem. And that's how your project is supposed to be in the end. Document checking completed, no errors or warnings to show. So this is the last part of the lectures about how to write simple web pages.